Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My brothers and sisters, today's biggest threat to our Iman is not always on the battlefield. It is in your pocket. It is in your hand right now. It is the phone, the screen, and AI algorithms deciding what you see, what you believe, and how you think. AI and social media are shaping the hearts of Muslims more than Quran and Masjid. Hours wasted scrolling TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube shortcuts. Memes mocking religion go viral, while Islamic reminders are ignored. All algorithms study your desires and feed your weaknesses. The Prophet ﷺ warned us, Sayati alannasi sanawatun khadda'atun. That is in Musnad Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. There will come upon people deceptive years. These are years when truth is mixed with falsehood, and lies travel faster than facts. Exactly what social media and AI are doing. Addiction to entertainment is prevalent. Muslims spend more time with Netflix and Reels than the Quran. Desensitization to sin is everywhere. Music, nudity, gossip, and disbelief become normal. Your heart stops feeling guilt. AI is replacing values. Chatbots and algorithms are now teaching children about relationships, gender, and morality without Quran and Sunnah. Now, what is the solution for that? Control your screen time. Delete what harms your Iman. Follow beneficial content. Let your social media feed remind you of Allah, not of desires. Use AI wisely. Research, learning, and productivity, not fitnah. Reconnect with the Quran and Salah. Respect Quran and Salah. If your phones get more attention than your prayers, your Iman is in danger. Remember, my brothers and sisters, your phone can take you to Jannah if you use it for Quran, knowledge, and charity. Or it can drag you to Jahannam if it controls your heart and time. Choose wisely before it's too late. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.